I'll wait to see your golden smile. Feel of 1,000.
Welcome back to our escapades aboard Oka. Since moving aboard in October 2022, we've explored Turkey's stunning coastlines, sailed through northern Greece, and now we're diving into the heart of the Cyclades. These islands have always been a dream of mine. Whitewashed houses, blue shutters, bright pink bougainvillea, and endless sunshine. And here we are, sailing straight into that postcard perfect vision. The name Cyclades originates from the Greek word kyklos, or circle, a nod to how these islands embrace Delos. This central island holds immense mythological significance as the birthplace of Apollo and Artemis, making it a spiritual anchor for the entire region. Delos was a significant religious and cultural hub in ancient times, and its central position gave the entire archipelago its name. Today, the Cyclades are celebrated for their iconic whitewashed villages, crystal clear waters, and deep connection to history and myth. Ever wonder why Cycladic houses gleam in white under the sun? The answer lies in tradition and practicality. Locals used a lime wash, a simple blend of lime, salt, and water, not only to deflect the sun's heat during scorching summers, but also as an affordable alternative to paint. The blue trim came from lulaki, or indigo, an inexpensive cleaning powder mixed with lime. During the 1930s, this traditional practice gained new significance as a public health measure during a cholera epidemic, solidifying the iconic aesthetic we see today. Even after the rules relaxed, the white and blue look stayed, drawing tourists and boosting the local economy.
The world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun.
My new office view now that we don't have the clears, the plastic and canvas walls up anymore. These are our screens, so it's a lot more comfortable. It's a bumpy ride today. The waves are on our beam, or were a little while ago. It was pretty uncomfortable, and the wind is right on the nose, so we don't have any sails out right now. Our journey first brought us to Andros Island. Our few days in Batsi were nothing short of magical. With its charming fishing harbor, red-tiled houses, and lively yet laid-back vibe, we soaked in the beauty, indulged in delicious local food, and enjoyed a perfect mix of relaxation and exploration. Off we go, leaving Batsi. Nice little town. Thank you. We're leaving Andros, and we're having some pretty hectic winds tomorrow. It's supposed to be up here around 28 knots, but we're actually going into this next island called Tinos, and we're going to the harbor area, which is all the way down here. So it's about a 5-hour sail from here down to here. Athens is right there, and Mykonos is right there. It's other famous places like Santorini down here. Kind of gives you an idea of where we are. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tell me good morning. I'm never on video anymore.
Good day.
People hear my voice, but they don't. I think it's already recording.
It is.
Hear my voice, but they never get to see this lovely face this early in the morning. That's okay. They prefer to look at pow! That. Fat boy, whatever. So the mainsail is going to go up today. So Donovan's unzipping the bag and getting all the stuff ready. I've slowed down a little bit. And our buddy boat.
The hatch is closed?
Yeah. Our buddy boat's going to be turning into the wind. What's that beeping? Oh, this thing beeps. Shut up. They're going to be turning into the wind to put their main up. And the wind right now is behind us, so they're literally going to be turning and facing us. There's the wind. So they're gonna cross in front of us and face us so they can raise the main. So I'm just gonna get the heck out of Dodge so that they can get their main up. And there they go. Sailing away. I don't know the rest of the words. We got 2 reefs in. Donovan's retying the line for the Jenniker because it was flopping around. Look, I opened this, but I kept this on so it protects us from the wind, but we can see. I mean, there's not much to see. The boom's directly on top of us, but I know. It's nice to have the hat off and be able to see on top of us now. We took the hat off yesterday since it's not winter anymore. So they're going 135 and we're at 164. There we go. Now the Genoa should blow up. Not blow up in the bad sense, but get full of wind. I guess I should try to use the right terminology. Fill up. We've got our Genoa reefed like 3 times, like practically. I mean, it's tiny because the winds are so strong. We still have our 2 reefs on our main. You can see how choppy it is, although on TV it doesn't look anything like what it looks like in real life. Furling in the Genoa since we're getting close, and it's very choppy and dangerous, so we want to just take our time with it and do it right. We got 23, 24 knots of wind right now. We traveled from Andros to Tinos, docking our catamaran right on the town wall in the lively center of Tinos town. Restaurants, shops, and the hum of island life were just steps away. And we got 85.2 meters out. We've got all of our chain out in about 5 meters of the road. We came in 30 knots winds. This was, I can't even talk right now. It was really, really scary. We strolled up the main pedestrian street lined with charming shops and vibrant local goods, making our way to one of the island's most significant landmarks. The Holy Church of the Virgin Mary Evangelistria is a beacon of faith and devotion, drawing pilgrims from across Greece. For many, the journey culminates in a symbolic climb to the church on their knees, a testament to their reverence and commitment. New town. I'm trying to film while holding my dress down. It keeps blowing up, and I'm Marilyn Monroeing. What are you doing?
I'm trying to read that sign. Something.
There's the ocean.
12.
I can't zoom in with the camera because I'm holding my dress again. love those. I love this building. Look at this brick. This brick is so pretty.
There's a purse back there.
And that's where the boats are. Ours is to the left of the leftmost one. Alright, so maybe this is a little easier. That's the spot that I got into. Right there. You can't see how hard the water is from here. But that was a bitch to get into. Nice restaurants. The boats. Donovan just washed the boat with the pressure washer because it had so much salt on it, and we're supposed to get a pretty bad windstorm this afternoon, so we'll see how much new salt comes on it. That sailboat's having a hell of a time getting their sail in. They went out earlier today, and I don't know why in the world they went out. Oh my god. What are they doing? They're gonna crash into the rocks. There's rocks all over right there. Please let them be okay.
They let it go. They had to let it go.
This is so dangerous. That poor boat.
Hope it wasn't part of it.
Oh, that's some scary shit. Oh my gosh, all these little alleyways with coffee shops are just to die for. Those vines over my head have grapes all over them. I wonder if they're real or fake. Like they actually have like big things of grapes.
Look at the vine growing up. You got no internet either.
We rented a car and set off to explore the island. As we explored Tinos, we couldn't help but notice the beautiful, intricate structures dotting the landscape. Scattered across the Tinos countryside, the artistic flair of peristeriones is captivating. These aren't just functional pigeon homes, but living sculptures of geometric beauty that tell stories of local craftsmanship.
You'll see the doves going in that.
Beautiful.
But obviously just keep your eye on the road. I think that's what we can pull over and have a look. Yeah, they are literally, they're everywhere. They are beautiful.
So they build these for the ducks to go. Our first stop was Pyrgos, a village renowned for its marble artistry. It's a treasure trove of creativity with marble everywhere, from fountains to intricate details in the streets. Did you know you can even take marble sculpting classes here? How cool is that?
this world? Will you guide me through this pain? Will you always hold my hand when I need you? When I don't know what I'm doing with myself, I'm a lost soul, walking through this world like I have some idea. When I don't, and I take on the baggage 'cause I think that I can, and I wait for the right time to go with my plan and come to you and tell you how I feel. And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again. And when you pass me by, I will smile and then I'll walk away. I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know where I'm going. It just seems like there's something the way that you are that makes me smile like a drunk. It makes me high like a drug, makes me wanna be near you like I'm caught in this fog. And I wait for tomorrow 'cause I know that I can, and I wait 'cause tomorrow I will go with my plan and come to you and tell you how I feel. And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again.
That's the other special thing.
And when you pass me by, I will smile and walk away. And then I'll think of it.
Then we made our way to Volax, perched high in the mountains and surrounded by massive granite boulders that look like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's a favorite spot for hikers and rock climbers, and the views are absolutely breathtaking.
And when the morning comes, I will feel that I am brave again.
Volax is one of the oldest villages on the island. The settlement existed in the Middle Ages, and they believed the area was inhabited about 2,000 years before Christ. The first official registration of the village with the name Volacus or Volax was found to be from 1618. The name is related to its geophysical environment, as Volax means a round rock. Folks from this town are best known for their beautiful baskets. As you walk around town, you will most certainly see several walls, doors, and window shutters with writing all over them. These are poems written by famous Greek poets, which were written on those surfaces as a form of decoration. The lintels or skylights are representative samples of high-level Tinos folk art and are directly connected to the traditional Tinian house. Located above the main entrance, the side doors and windows, they decorate the exterior of the house, and their functional role is to improve its lighting and ventilation. Lintels are mostly semicircular in shape and made of marble or stone. They typically depicted fish, boats, birds, flowers, etc. The insignia on these works of folk art were indicative elements of power and prestige, and depending on their age, they showed a Byzantine or Venetian style. According to popular stories, they prevented demons from entering the homes. There's Tinos down there, where the boats are, and where Donovan is. Today was a girls' trip. All the boys stayed on the boats. On our way back, we visited the Catholic Shrine of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, a peaceful and beautiful spot that stands as a symbol of faith for the island's Catholic community. Just above the church stand the ruins of the Exomvourgo Castle, a once mighty fortress from the 13th century. Though it was destroyed in 1715 by a large Ottoman force, its ruins still tell the story of a proud and powerful past. Standing there, surrounded by sweeping views of the island, you can almost imagine what it must have been like centuries ago. So that would be Mykonos all the way on the left with all the white buildings?
Yeah.
So that's Mykonos.
So it is. So there's nothing in the middle, if you like, and then the island there.
And
We're
then
going to
is Renia.
Delos.
yeah, and then we're
And
going
Renia.
behind Renia.
Yes. Because there are no other islands.
No. Oh yeah, you've got them.
Yeah. So we're looking. Yeah. So presumably we're looking. Yeah.
Just peek and see if we can see
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So that might be. And that's a channel that we've got.
Our time in Tinos has been unforgettable, but the adventure continues. Next, we're setting sail for the nearby island of Renia to explore the ancient site of Delos, the legendary birthplace of Apollo and Artemis. Delos is like an open-air museum bursting with history, myth, and ancient ruins. We can't wait to share it all with you in our next episode. Be sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you don't miss our photos slideshow with highlights from our time on Andros and Tinos. We're also sharing these photos on all of our social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. So make sure you follow us under Sailing Eucalyptus to see even more of our journey. Thanks for coming along with us on this incredible voyage through the Greek Cyclades Islands of Andros and Tinos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. See you around the Cyclades.